igo okoro ngamo maiti Ruto onyoirete chikura tata kare siku ya serikali Matiang'i yogoteba no aringe imi Uhuru nhero wate sword abo kibicha bakongpa GPS nkongpa mwaka Raila bono wanchire Kenya ngima mwaka nyara kamba na moja kwa aya nande mwisho ndo meta banda baba United opposition bariko kimetu so mwana mitobo ngotegera sasa ni mutu nabate yatinga the only candidate yotakere kwa wa ara ave flag bearer ya United opposition in Karusu busio and you should know abantu bari towards the eastern part of it gachawa himself wekera ko muri chinkwana jaya ko na he has a soft spot if he cannot learn as a person he has a soft spot to Kalonzo igotanga ba chagire korora unless they are telling us aki Fred Matiang'i is going to learn as an individual but yon United opposition wegenete let it them leave and finally I want to say before I conclude your work enta time chikora chu president again to kochora chile chu president needs a lot of logistics yana mura ikaransa inwe kamura arigenga mo buhatero chisi chira onchuka no Kisii county
yokarati ya mheshimiwa igo Matiang'i tere kwa president
I don't see the possibility I don't see me as a person nanda bantu baitu turani to accommodate the views ya bantu na mona nategera mangana tante biganga kuja kwa swali kwanta but I want to tell him ngaki it's not easy for me to come to one time nero rancho in because you mwana mwanjete nonta que ta beranga nje unya kunywa mabera okoraki ubogi mobotonya gosuka ko buaruto is not 1+1
abula igule
no wait again to kende ya kabere na hata baigore asi banga ngegabana ngata joined it is not a guarantee omonto ko be gabana ngaweka join Matiang'i it's not a guarantee some of us only to want to learn for elected position we are not going to join Matiang'i we will learn according to our principle siasa is all about your interest when you make a decision it is a passion which comes from your heart then ekerwa make a decision a passion ya from your heart then you will go as by your decision then you can seek the mandate with the people abantu bako chochoro mugabana oyaga teba ngada radi which means
yes
omaite media manyo singwa big sense kurwa owoge na bata gete simba choru as a second term gabana is only that the problem ebete na atra joining Matiang'i I join Matiang'i owoge will be there I think that and that's what I want to say ngaki it's not very easy kurusi simbarat
oboge gir
no atra kwa na kinta ito kumata it's not very easy
pia mona sana
kurusi simbarat